Right guys, welcome back. When I shot with my blowgun, this is, people texting me. Fucking pisses me off. Nope, fuck this, aeroplane mode, put that on. See you in a bit. Right, that's it, good. We're fucking good now. As I was saying, the reason why that's gone right the way through there is because it's a fucking dart. Right. It's a dart. I was about to show you something, guys. And just to let you all know, I got fucking COVID. But I'm not fucking gonna film you. Yeah, you can't see that, right. This is a fucking gun, right? This is a dart for a blowgun. And this is going to go inside the air rifle. Check it in there. Like that. Yeah, I've got COVID, guys. Fucking COVID, yeah. I fucking got COVID. It's fucking pissing me off. Fuck the COVID. I'm still fucking busy. Right. Fuck the COVID. Right, look at this, right? That bottle, that fucking bottle, yeah, that fucking bottle. You fucking watch this, guys. Actually, I'll take this out, take this dart out so you can see a fresh dart, right? Right, fuck the COVID. Watch this bottle, guys. Watch the bottle. Oh, look. Ha, 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 ha. Look, can you see that pin? Can you see that pin in there, guys? Look at the pin. That's fucking deadly, isn't it? Guys, right. Look at that fucking pin. Ready? I'm going to pull it out. It won't budge. Oh, look. Look at that. Right. I lost the flight, but that's no good anymore. It's fucked. It's all fucked. As I was saying, now you saw that. Right through with the air rifle. Where's my fucking blowgun? I might do another COVID test in a minute. Because... Right. A nice red dart. This... Right, guys, I've got my blowgun. Got the dart. Look, don't even do fuck all. Don't let it skims off the bottle. Don't even do a lot. Right. You're watching this, guys. I've got my blowgun there. Blowgun. Right, I want you to see the dart inside. Let's brighten it up a bit. That's the dart inside. There's the bottle. Mersh, that come back and stuck in my fucking chest. Guys, look, no hands, look. The fucking pin come back and hit me right there. And that is fucking dodgy, innit? I'll tell you what, we shoot the Christmas tree. That fucking pin come back at me though. Rebound. Yeah. That's stuck in that. Now, it went in that. Now, it'll go right the way through it. Yeah, I got COVID, guys. Fuck the COVID. Right, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll use the red one. Because it's looking fucked anyway. Right. As you can see, it's in there, guys. It's in there, look. Ready? Ooh. Ooh, that's stuck in the ferret box. So I missed it. Right, but it's all mangled. It's all fucking mangled, guys. So it's not even straight. Right. Fuck that. I'm going to use another one because I didn't like that. I was meant to shoot the fucking thing. Right. It's in there, yeah? Ha 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 ha, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look. Look, guys. Oh, ooh, look at that. Fucking hell. Oh. And it literally blows the end of the dark pieces. That. That's what's done that. I'm not wasting any more than that. So that's shit anyway. You get a proper fucking blowgun. But look. Oh, that went right the way through that. That's mangled. That's mangled, guys. Look at that. Oh, fuck off. Right? Fucking dead. Well, that's the end of that challenge, guys. That's the end of that challenge. So, yeah. Anyway, guys. Yes, I do have COVID. Fuck the COVID. I got COVID, guys. Yeah, I have got it, yeah. So, therefore, fuck the COVID. I don't fucking care about it. I can't go out, I'm not allowed. Fuck the COVID, yeah? I feel alright. I feel alright a little bit, you know, but my organs are a little bit fucked, I think. I can feel it in my organs. Like, my kidneys are hurting, my ribs hurting slightly. But I'm not really worried, to be honest. I'm actually not worried about it. That's the most shit thing, that's the most funny, shocking thing about it. I'm actually not worried. Like, I don't care. I don't give a fuck about it. I actually don't care that I've got it, yeah? All I care about is doing my YouTube, carrying on, living my life. Fuck it, right? Fuck it. That's all I care about. Living my YouTube, living my life. Fuck it, the COVID. This does my fucking head in. Right. Anyway, guys, yeah, that was just a little bit of fun with the air rifle in the bedroom shooting at a target with a fucking dart. Brilliant. Fucking love it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go. And you'll see me on the next video very shortly. Don't go anywhere, because there'll be more videos being made because of the COVID. So I'll be doing a little bit more at home. But yeah. Keep watching, guys. You might find some more interesting stuff. And then we'll go from there. Okay? So yeah, what else is it? See what I mean? Anyway guys, I'm gonna let you go, and you'll see my next video very shortly. Don't go anywhere, because I will be back. Hopefully not with fucking COVID. Bye for now. Just remember, I always still blow you a kiss, guys, on every video you see. Bye for now. See you soon. Have a good night.